This is an old pine triple wardrobe. This one dates from the 1930s, and as you can see it has 3 doors and 2 large drawers at the bottom. So you've got a nice cornice top, the sides and in fact the doors are all panelled. It's sitting on bracket feet. Now this one does, like most of our wardrobes, completely dismantle for delivery, so no problems getting it upstairs into bedrooms and what have you. So you've got fully working locks with keys on the doors. This one actually has, as you can see, a mirror on the middle door. Oops. We will fit a new brass hanging rail inside to hang all your clothes. And here's the right hand side, which is a single bit. Again, we could put a small brass hanging rail in there, or alternatively, if you wanted us to put some shelves in this side, we could do that at an additional cost. But all perfectly doable. And then at the bottom you've got 2 large drawers, both with wooden knob handles. Useful storage there. The code for this one is N1200E. The price on the bare wood is £900, and if you'd like us to wax polish it for you, it's £997. It is 77 inches high, 64.5 inches wide. The overall depth is 26 inches, but the internal depth, nice and deep, 21 inches, so plenty deep enough to hang large coats.